Hello everyone, this is Kollan Kumar Patro from South 24 Parganas in West Bengal. Now I shall discuss over the topics. Do you think exam result determines a child's worth? This is a very humorous question. Now, if I ask, do you think that Sachin Tendulkar have got secured highest mark in all the subjects in all the classes, and so he have made so many centuries in cricket? The question is like that. A person's capability, a person's merit and possibility cannot be determined by normal school education and normal school examination, marks, etc. And we will be surprised to know that Einstein in his childhood and almost secured very poor marks in all other subjects except mathematics. And there are so many examples in this world also. And if you see in our IAS exam, if you see the result, if you see the list of every year, you will see that there are so many IAS officers who were passed, whose academic career in Madhyamik, in higher secondary, in graduation level is very poor. But in IAS, they have secured IAS, IPS. There are so many examples. If we see the history of IAS officer up to, for the last 10 years, we shall see that those who are most of them, at least some percentage, some heavy percentage of IAS officer, IPS officer are there whose academic career during academic life they were not good at all. They got poor marks and someone even failed. This is their background, but they become IAS and IPS after some in his life. So the question is really very absurd. A man's quality, a man's probability and possibility changes. And I have seen in my personal life a singer. There is no relation with the normal education with a singer, with a dancer. If I pass MSc, if I master degree in science, what is the relation with this master degree of science with a dancer, a football player, a cricket, a javelin thrower? Those you have secured in throwing javelin, achieve gold medal. There is no relation. And academic marks only related with some subject, with some syllabus, and the life is a vast syllabus. Life is not limited. That is geography syllabus, history syllabus, mathematics syllabus, and if I complete that syllabus, I can perform well in that examination. But life syllabus is very large, mighty syllabus. And so this type of debate is not necessary because it is absolutely absurd to determine a child merit, a child worth by his marks. Because the marks, as you know, is related with some particular subject, with some particular syllabus, not the full syllabus even. So if I exam on geography, there are limited syllabus on geography. But is the world's geography is limited to that? No. So we are not even know the full of geography by securing 100 out of 100. So it is a limited knowledge. It is just like, and I think in future such type of education will come. No such type of examination will happen. That is my presumption. It will happen. I am not telling you like this. But a first person's possibility and probability cannot be determined, my final word cannot be determined by mere examination with limited subject, with limited syllabus. A person's probability and thinking faculty, possibility, thinking strength, thinking acuteness or intelligence cannot be judged by merely marks. A marks cannot determine how merit the person is, how intelligent the person is, how much IQ he belongs, in what is other extracurricular activities he is efficient, cannot determine. So I do not agree with the topics that marks can determine a person's worth, a student's worth. No, it is not possible. Thank you very much. Very good night to everybody. Thank you.